my God.
That wasn't there? Oh, you. Oh my God. You might want to pull up and get out and look at what you
for
did.
real?
Yes.
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, baby. I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking a risk. If she with me, them other niggas is stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo.
What's up, Prince gang? This your boy Prince, man.
It's your boy Corn.
Dang.
I just told you.
Oh, alright. So let me tell y'all what we doing today. So today we just went inside the Family Dollar. We just bought a whole bunch of candy. We bored. We too grown to be trick-or-treating. So what we about to do is about to go to different fast food restaurants. And we gonna order something simple, like probably a burger or something like that. And then my window is tinted, like we can see out, but they can't see in. So I'm rolling my window down, and then I'm gonna just, trick or treat, and we gonna get their reaction. And then hey, they might get them a little candy.
They got mad.
For real.
They got damn too. Oh, nice, a Jolly Rancher.
Really, nigga?
This man sound dumb.
Watermelon
But yeah,
stick.
we gonna get back with y'all. Yes, sirski.
Right.
Can I get a small order of coleslaw?
You can put your order.
Yes, please.
237.
Okay. Alright, so y'all look. I'm about to pull up through that, right? I'm gonna get her the money. And I'm gonna slowly roll my window down and then be like, trick or treat. Dang. Reckon they show with a chef at. Catch bad bitch. It's hard. In a car.
Show them what you going through.
Oh.
Pull forward.
Here we go. Oh man. Oh man.
She. They got my partner.
Trick or treat.
Oh my God.
Y'all having fire drill, ain't it?
Y'all was Ken.
Yep.
I hope you don't fall.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What up, boy?
Here you go.
Put it on par.
Oh. Can you see one?
648.
Oh, they clearly on the wall.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This for a YouTube video. You want to tell them what's up?
Huh?
I said this for a YouTube video. You want to tell them what's up?
YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, YouTube?
Yeah.
KFC.
Yes,
Yes,
sirski.
sirski.
Alright, see y'all later. Alright, y'all. So we in Chickers. We was gonna go to Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A packed. Combo today. How much is it? The #1 combo. Sure. Okay. That's all.
Medium and large flavor drink.
I get medium, and I get a strawberry Fanta. But y'all, this one hard because she right there. So she right there. So they're like, damn, she licking too. We gotta see.
Oh, we finna start right now. Trick or treat.
And I'm far.
You know what you should have did?
I feel pregnant. Trick or treat. Oh, you saw me already? Yours candy?
For what?
It's trick or treat.
She think you crazy.
You in the bag. I'm about to get us candy. Yo, Ken. I ain't gonna do nothing to you.
Hey, y'all was paying.
This for my YouTube video. You wanna tell them what's up?
Why don't you put me on no YouTube?
Just say what's up.
You want me to cut it?
Alex!
What God?
Yes, Husky!
Who this said? What the fuck? That nigga told you.
You know.
That nigga real.
Okay, so now we at Burger King, right? We about to try to get there next.
She's working.
Hey, can I get a Whopper?
You want just a Whopper?
Yeah, just a plain Whopper.
Whatever y'all?
Yes.
485, drive around.
Okay. Alright, y'all. So here we go. Go ahead and put it back on. I look pregnant. Oh yeah, they can't see me. They can't see me. They can't see me. Yo, it's so cold outside, but I feel so good in here. Can y'all see me? I see y'all. What if I had to live with this? What if I had to sleep with this? Or eat with this? Or use the restroom in this? That's my lips. How I look? I look good to be a unicorn, don't I? Drive-throughs take for long. Drive-through. This is drive-through. This is drive-through. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Man, you went over curves.
What I just hit?
The curve. You scraped
My
the
comments up.
You just scraped the letters off your title.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Are you for real?
Yeah, you want me to give them to you? It's like an R and an E.
Oh, my
another
God.
E. I think what's it spell?
That made me not even want to do my video no more.
Okay, what was that?
Are you for real? Do I got a dent in my car?
Wait, unless this was already there.
Oh my God.
That wasn't there? Oh, oh my God. You might want to pull up and get out and look at
You
what you
for
did.
real?
Yes, because you scraped it and everything.
Bro, I don't even want to look.
Well, you need to because you did it.
I'm about to cry.
Don't cry.
Let me
It
get
ain't
out
that
and look.
bad from over there somewhere.
I'm about to
Yeah.
cry. I just hit my car.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. One more time for me.
I just hit my car. I'm about to
Get the
cry.
car.
Don't
back.
cry. It's not that bad.
It's my car.
I feel you, though. You can't see in your suit. You gotta take that head off.
I'm about to cry. You for real?
If you didn't have a dent right there, I'm for real. All right, what that be all for you? 1403.
I just hit my car.
Oh, man, you won't be able to use
Car. Oh, you got my car back?
it.
Uh-huh.
Got all your stuff.
Oh.
He got it.
Alright. Bro, are you serious? Hey, can I get a 10-piece chicken nugget? I mean 10-piece, yeah, 10-piece chicken nugget.
You want the meal or just the nuggets?
Just the nuggets.
What's for the sauce?
Barbecue.
Is that all?
Yeah.
$4.31.
Okay. Alright, so look y'all, this is the last video for the night, right? After this video, we're gonna go and give all this food to I'm about to get so mad. I'm about to get so mad. Anyways, after this video, we're gonna go get all this food to a homeless person. Took a treat. You got something good to eat? You got something good to eat?
What?
You got something good to eat?
Whatever you order, that's what's gonna be good.
Damn. Damn, my card. Oh. Oh, man.
What?
You want to say what's up to my YouTube?
Huh?
You want to say what's up to my YouTube?
Hey, YouTube.
She rude, but she won't clap. Appreciate it. Man, y'all, I'm running over cars. I'm not doing this no more. Like, at this point, I'm not doing this no more. Cause I really, let me tell y'all on that. Shawty scared me. She thought I hit my truck and got a dent. But it's not a dent, bro. That's the design of my truck. Like, it's right there by the fender. The only thing happened was my tire letters came off. But I get those fixed again. I got my partner, Dream Motorsports to do that.
She's scared. She saw you.
Who?
The girl at the window.
She saw me. What she say?
She's scared. She went back.
I know her. She used to work for me.
But she put the car in park.
Yes, please. Took a treat. You got something good to eat? Come on, put the food in. Give us candy. Give us candy, throw him. I don't like her, y'all. She used to work at my job, and we fired her. Alright, Prinxe gang. So that's it for this video. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I told you I'm trying to get y'all a video every week. Come on, man. We got a boy here. What's up, man? Mike. We got a boy Michael, man. We just gonna go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Here you go, Michael. Guys. You know what I'm saying? Got you, man. Put it back.
Hey, could you go back, man?
Huh?
Could you go back before we start, please? Yeah, I'm like, please.
It's good, man. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Oh, let me show y'all. Show them. I just did this on the other one. Then I did that on, man. I was so mad, bro. Like, I was so mad. You say what, bro?
Keep going, give it right, but it's please.
Alright. You good? Got you some chicken nugget.
Yeah, boy.
Man, all that.
Oh, man, they need it.
Happy Halloween, man. Alright. You want to talk to you too? You got something you want to tell them?
Hey, boy, y'all guys are great. And I thank you in the name of Jesus. Every old man out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You welcome, man.
Hey, can I get
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, baby. I would do anything.
Damn, Ty, you going crazy.
Play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking a risk. When she with me, them other niggas is stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is it. They ain't seeing us, boo, they